MERCEDES Benz Van EA Luxury Electric Motorhome Concept 2026. Built on the new van, EA electric architecture and luxury electric vans and camper conversions will debut in 2026. Vision V and Shanghai Private Lounge MPV display concept vans are included. A giant retractable 65-inch 4K movie screen, 42-speaker sound system, karaoke gaming mode, dynamic window tinting, ambient lighting, crystal look vents, and plush leather airline-style rear seats with 2 back seats and 3 seats each. Imagine a chauffeur-driven luxury automobile on wheels. Premium lifestyle vehicles for VIP transportation are positioned this way. A van-connected production SPV MVP is expected in 2026. EA2 Sprinter Chassis Diesel RVs, 2026 models. Example, Tiffin Wayfarer 25-foot Class C. This is a Mercedes-Benz 350 0XD dual-wheel Sprinter cutaway chassis. A 2.0-liter turbo diesel with 208 horsepower and a 9-speed automatic transmission powers it. Features include sleeping for 2 to 4 people, 1 bathroom, 25 feet 8 inches length, 54 to 130 cubic feet storage, and an onboard LP generator. 3 floor plans, XRW, XLW, and XPW, offer customizable decor packages. Integra Launch Class, BAWD. All-wheel drive, Koni shocks, heavy-duty stabilizer bar, and EZ drive system for off-roading to remote areas. AWD Sprinter 2500 with 2.0-liter twin-turbo diesel engine and 211 horsepower. 19 feet 6 inches long, 82 inches wide, and 74 inches high. An effective floor plan for solo or pair travel. Classifying the Thor Delano Lux Sprinter, the chassis is based on the Sprinter 4500, costing around $225,000. The cabin has a twin-to-king bed, enough storage, and premium furnishings. Important moments a cross-board electric van is showcased. Volkswagen EA Concept Diesel Sprinter RVs have modular architecture, power electric drivetrain, and 2.0-liter turbocharged and twin-turbo diesel engines. Enjoy VIP travel and a private lounge. Off-grid living, exploring, and adventure travel luxuriousness. Cinematic screen, game surface, dynamic tint, comfy decor, full kitchens, and comfort production begins in 2026. Available for 2026 or later models. A summary and prognosis, ultra-luxurious electric conveyance is desired. Van appears ahead. Premium lounge experiences like cinema screens, karaoke, and immersive sound make EA-based MPVs ideal for VIP transportation. Would you prefer solid diesel Sprinter platforms? Tiffin, Integra, and Thor are launching flexible Class B and C options with improved comfort, off-road capabilities, and sensible layouts for long trips. Mercedes-Benz is pushing its electric vehicles EVs into premium vans as diesel Sprinters lead luxury recreational vehicle offers.